with show, our hearts joy recline in Principio, and like a bright star shine it, Matrice and Dremio, Alpha Isato, Alpha Isato. Outside, everybody thought I was a party girl and that I was a lovely girl, and I'm sure I was. But inside, I was so empty, I was so sad, and just no peace in my heart at all. Roll on, boys, leave a place for me. I'm getting so tired of the company. This has been a very special program for me because when I heard that Madeleine Bell was interested to come and sing and be prepared to be part of this show, I was so excited. I was so excited. All is bright. That is just amazing. Ooh, we do it. In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind mid-morn, earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long ago. Our God, heaven cannot hold him, nor earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall flee away when he comes to reign. In the bleak midwinter, a stable place sufficed. The Lord God Almighty, Jesus Christ. A Christmas album, it's really special because Christmas is special. So I thought, okay, I'll make a Celtic album, and it's a way of reaching people that or don't want to believe or have just left the religion behind them, but they still love Christmas. They still wonder why they love Christmas. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. I come from a wonderful family, northwest of Ireland, Donegal, and you know the mountain, this big mountain behind me, and I could see the sea from my home. And it was just fantastic. It was a fantastic area to grow up. I'm the eldest of 9, so we were out playing all the time and making up different games and everything. So it was fantastic childhood. There was always music in the house because my father, when I was growing up, he had a show band, so he would be practicing in the front parlour, in the front room of the house. My father still performs in his own pub. He's 83 now, and I like to get up and sing with him whenever I Go Home to Donegal. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. If you look around at the beauty of this place, and you know, with the mountains and the valleys and the sea and everything around us, it has an awful lot to do with the sound that we created. And so with my grandparents sort of teaching us and at school, and my mother as well, teaching us the Gaelic songs, then Harry's Game in particular is a pure example of how we use the Gaelic language. I think music has been used so much when you hear, whether it's Handel's Messiah, to myself singing or whatever, it just translates so much to people. And it's fantastic for me as a singer to be able to, maybe people that don't realize it, would listen to a song and it would touch their heart because there's something in it that they need. The angel Gabriel from heaven came, his wings as drifted snow, his eyes as flame. All hail, said he, thou lowly maiden Mary, most highly favoured lady, Gloria. For known a blessed mother thou shalt, generations laud and honor thee. Thy son shall be Emmanuel, by seers foretold, most highly favoured lady, Gloria. We ended up performing before my dad would get on stage, and so sort of the group naturally just developed from what we did in Leo's Tavern. I started to learn the harp in the convent when I was sent to boarding school. We won a contest, and it was in 1970. We were still at college, at school, and part of the competition was recording an album at that time, and we didn't get around to doing that till 1973. First of all, we didn't know how to do it or even think about it. It was the Irish Folk Festival.